So in this video, we are going to solve problems from exercise 7.2, which belongs to chapter number 7, triangles, and we are going to deal with question number 6. So let's read what the question says. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. Okay, so I'm going to use a highlighter. So this is a triangle ABC, triangle ABC. It's an isosceles triangle, and as you can see, AB is equal to AC. Okay, now side BA, so this is our side BA, is produced to D, so it's extended till the point D such that AD is equal to AB. So this AD is equal to AB, and we have AB as equal to AC. So basically all these three sides are equal to each other. Now show that angle BCD, okay, so again let's use a highlighter, this angle BCD, so this angle, okay, we have to show that angle BCD is a right angle. So we have to show that this angle is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so let's first erase this. Okay, and now let's focus on this figure. So we have AB as equal to AC. So triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So let's note down that as point number one. Point number one, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, it's an isosceles triangle. So therefore, angle B will be equal to angle C. Okay, why? Because this is a property of isosceles triangle, that the angles which are opposite, okay, these angles which are opposite to the equal sides or congruent sides are also equal to each other. Okay, now let, I'm just going to say let angle B be equal to angle C be equal to angle X. Okay, let their value be X. Now let us focus on this triangle. Okay, ADC. Consider this triangle ADC. So point number 2, triangle ADC is also isosceles triangle. Okay, is also an isosceles triangle. Why? Because it's given that AC is equal to AD. Okay, so if it's an isosceles triangle, so once again let's remove this highlighted thing to reduce the confusion. Yeah, so if this is an isosceles triangle and if AC is equal to AD, then once again we have that these two angles will be equal to each other. Okay, so I'm going to write the full angle names now. So angle ACD is equal to angle ADC. Okay, yes, so angle ACD, this angle ACD will be equal to angle ADC. Now since this side is equal to this side and this side is also equal to this side, so these two or these four angles will actually measure equal to each other, which means if this is X and this is X, then this also will be X and this also will be X. Or even if you don't assume they are equal, the all four angles are equal to each other, we can say, okay, the year we said that these two angles be equal to X. So in fact, let's make a note of it. Let this be X, let this be X. So let, I'm going to say let angle ACD be equal to angle ADC. Let that be equal to Y. Okay, so these green angles will be Y. So this is Y and this is also Y. Okay, so these two angles are X and these two angles are Y. Okay, now consider, now let's come here. Now consider, so consider triangle BCD. So I'm going to use the highlighter. This triangle BCD, the whole big triangle. So consider triangle BCD. Sorry. So by angle sum property, angle sum property. What's the angle sum property? Angle sum property says that summation of all three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so we have, okay, so we will have this angle and this angle. So what is angle C? It is X plus Y. Okay, and this angle Y. All these angles summation in this huge triangle should be equal to 180 degree. Okay, so I'm just going to say, okay, so I'm going to say angle B plus angle C plus angle D will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, however, what is angle B? So I'm just going to write here, angle B is in fact equal to X. Okay, and angle D is equal to Y, and angle C is equal to X plus Y. Okay, it's made up of two small angles x and y. So summation of all these angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now let's come down and solve this equation. So therefore I'll remove the brackets. X plus y will be equal to 180 degree, and therefore we have 2x plus 2y will be equal to 180 degree, and therefore we have 2x plus y that will be equal to 180 degree, and therefore finally x plus y, okay, will be equal to 180 divided by 2, and that will be equal to 90 degree. Okay, so note x plus y is equal to 90 degree. Now let's come to the figure. What is x plus y? This thing, this whole angle C is x plus y, that is equal to 90 degree, which means this statement show that angle BCD is a right angle is true. So I'm just going to make a note of that. Yeah, so I'm just going to write it down. We have x plus y as equal to 90 degree. Okay, therefore angle C, this whole angle C is equal to 90 degree, which means it's a right angle triangle. So this statement, okay, that angle BCD is right angle is very much true.